welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Blessing B here for another video, guys. Today's video is definitely a video that's needed for all of us content creators, influencers. I don't think I made a video like this, but if I have, guys, go check it out. My other previous, guys, today we're gonna be talking about apps I use and that you guys can use to edit your videos to get them looking like clean, nice, simple, and easy. Guys, these are free apps that you guys can download and to start using them right away. No subscription or anything like that to use them. Some of them do have subscription, but we talk about that a little bit more in the videos. Yeah, I have notes so I can stay on track, guys, because I can ramble forever. So the first app I'm going to talk about is one of my favorites. It's called Canvas. Now, guys, this is a free app on the Apple Store or Google Play, wherever you get your apps, that has already pre-made templates. Like, I hear so many people be like, yeah, I pay for this website so I can blah, blah, blah. I'm just scratching my head like, why would you do that? Because literally Canvas has everything. Like, it has pre-made templates. It has templates for like YouTube thumbnails. It has like photo and video editing prompts and stuff like that. So it's simple, easy. You literally go on a search bar. If you don't know where you do, you go on a search bar, you type in, for example, YouTube thumbnails for your channel, like YouTube channel, like banner channel or like a thumbnail, and you just look at the templates and you're able to edit them in the app itself. You can upload your own pictures, you can upload your own logo. Guys, I have made several website pictures for these. I have made several modeling cards on my own that I have used with Canvas. Like, it's simple and easy. It's cost friendly. There is a pro version you guys can use if you want more opportunities and more access to things, but the free version is just as useful as well. So guys, definitely download Canvas if you have not. This will definitely save you a lot of editing time and stress and all that. I can't say much about Canvas because it's amazing, guys. I've used it for years now. When I first discovered it, I was like, what am I doing? I'll never go back. So yes, the second app is my all-time favorite so far out of all these apps. It's gonna be CapCut. Now, if you guys don't know what CapCut is a editing app that is associated with TikTok. So you can literally link your TikTok to your CapCut app, and as soon as you post, like make a video, you can literally share it to your TikTok. And the cool thing about CapCut is that it already has pre-templates too. Just like Canvas, it has pre-made templates. So if you were somebody who struggles with like putting the music on or cool transitions, things like that, like it already has templates that literally you can use on it, and it even keeps up with the trend too. And the most important thing that I really love about it too is that you can sign up to be a CapCut creator, which basically you make like transitions and stuff for CapCut, and anytime somebody uses it or go to your link and like sign up and stuff like that, you get commission off of this. I'm still learning about it myself. Like, I've been wanting to sign up so much, but the type of videos I make is not necessarily editing type videos or how to edit your videos. This is like the first video I actually made about this, so I haven't been approved yet for it. But if you have, please let me know in the comments how you did it and how easy it is so that we can get on board as well. Just share the love a little bit. So yes, CapCut is amazing, free. There is a pro version that gives you access to more things. I like CapCut a lot because I use it for not only short-term content like Reels or TikToks, but we can also use it for long-term content like YouTube, for example. I love using CapCut because, like I said, easy, simple. A lot of successful YouTubers or influencers literally show you how to use CapCut. So if you guys don't know how to use it or how to make those cool, get ready with me videos or outfit change videos, you can literally search on Instagram, Pinterest, wherever you search your stuff, and find videos of people showing you how to use CapCut to make those videos. I'm not gonna do that because that's not the type of content creator I am, but if you guys want to know, just make sure you guys search that up for sure. Now, the second one, guys, I want to talk about is called Villo, VLLO. I got this app suggestion from DoorDash. If you guys don't know who DoorDash is, she's a very successful YouTuber here and she's amazing. Shout out to DoorDash, love you, girl. She has put me onto this, not personally, but one of her videos she talked about how to be successful on YouTube. She said this app really works. The only thing is I don't like about this app, it doesn't have all the cool features that CapCut does. If you're trying to compare apps, just see what type of feature. There is a free version with Villo. It's gonna say Villo because I don't know how to say this, Villo, but there is also a pro version as well that lets you, again, more access to things. It's simple, easy to use. I think of all the editing app, like you have You have Adobe Lightroom, you know, you have Final Cut Pro, you have like these really expensive apps that are honestly very confusing. Like for me, as somebody who did entertainment media in school, which is basically photography, video editing, stuff like that, like Lightroom and Final Cut Pro are not simple, easy stuff. I don't know, as a YouTuber, you want your stuff to look good and amazing, and you just look at these other people like Mr. Beast, Gary Vee, you see their YouTube channel, you're like, oh my goodness, I want to be like that. But like you scratch your head and you're just like, I can't afford to be using Final Cut Pro, or I can't afford to be having all these expensive editing apps. So that's why I like CapCut and Villa, because these are simple, easy, and just very all in all friendly for people who aren't very big on editing. I've now since used Villa since I found the app, and it's been very helpful. But I will export it and finish editing on CapCut, just because CapCut has a lot more detailed stuff, like stickers, like subscribe stickers you can use for free on there. There's a lot more features on CapCut than Villa, but Villa is very simple, easy if you're just starting out, just beginning, and it's free. Another app I want to talk about is PicsArt. I used to use this a lot for my Instagram pictures to get these like really cute squares around them. I don't use PicsArt as much because I don't see very much use for them, because there's so many other editing apps out there that you can use. For example, like again, back to CapCut, there is a photo editing like feature in that as well. So I don't really use CapCut very much besides to use the square option, because all the other apps don't be having that. But if you guys are really big into like photo editing or things like that, you can definitely check out PicsArt, because it does have some cool features. Also, it's a pro version that has better features as well. I like PicsArt because it's just a fun app to edit your photos with. I've not used it for video editing yet, but definitely try it out. If it works for you, it works for you for sure. Next app, guys, I'm going to talk about is Airbrush. Now, a lot of people are like, oh, look natural, don't be fake, don't be like those influencers that just pretend to look good but they're not really looking good. Guys, it's the internet. We want to look good. We want to come out here, you know, looking nice. And like, I know nobody wants to be catfish for sure. But guys, sometimes I don't be looking cute. Sometimes my makeup be not it. And I just need something to like, you know, edit my face, making me look a little bit more, you know, pizzazz put together. So I use Airbrush to literally go in to fix the little details and minor mistakes. Of course, there's a free version and a pro version that allows you, again, more free stuff. But guys, there's nothing wrong with editing your videos or your pictures to look good. Like I use this for my thumbnails, I use it for my Instagram pics, posts, whatever, you know, sometimes TikToks as well. There actually is a video version of Airbrush too that you guys can use to edit your videos. That's a whole separate app. I'll have to find that app again because I don't quite remember what it is, but it's very good to get your like skin to look good. But I will say, guys, don't always be relying on Airbrush type apps, because it's very easy to overuse them. Sorry, guys, my voice is coarse. I need to drink water. But what I would say is it's very easy to overuse them, and then all of a sudden, like your videos and your pictures are looking a little bit too edited. So that's why in lighting, we're gonna talk about lighting for a minute. Please, 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 please. Speaking of lighting, I gotta tap that. There we go. Please, please invest in good lighting. If you have a window like this where you can get the natural sunlight in, perfect. Even if you need a ring light, please invest in a ring light. I know a lot of people be like, ring lights are for suckers, blah, 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 blah. No. Use your ring light. For example, I'm gonna show you guys what my video will look like without the ring light on. All right, guys, so this is me talking to you without the ring light on. Obviously, you guys can still see me because of the natural light outside, but some of my features aren't as lit. My skin's not as glowy, you know, like I look dark. But this is it if it's on. Period. A little bit more lighter, a little bit more able to see me. This is what the power of a ring light is. Now, there's so many different types of ring lights. It's up to you to go out there and find the one that works best for you. I believe I got this one either from Target or Walmart. Can't quite remember. I also bought a few on Amazon as well. I will link below. You guys go check that out for the ring lights for sure, because you don't have to spend too much. You don't have to spend too much when it comes to your equipment. A lot of people think you have to have a nice camera, you have to have so many lightings like all around, you have to have so many things. You really don't. I've been using my iPhone. I started out, guys, with iPhone 16. That was way back in the day. Now I have a 14. Now I have a 14. I used to have a 12 Pro. So you guys don't need to have expensive cameras at all. I will say make sure your screen is clean before you record, because you don't want to have that smudges there. And you know, and come on camera looking decent. Like, obviously you don't have to be all done up with makeup, but like, come on decent. Come on to somebody that's ready to present themselves good, you know? Like, it's nice to look good and put together, you know? I'm not saying you have to be all dolled up all the time, but just come on ready and fresh, you know? There's something about going on a video and seeing a YouTuber who's not crusty and dusty, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean. And lastly, guys, I will say, when it comes to editing, a lot of tips I've found out, if you're gonna make a video specifically for Instagram, make the video on Instagram. Record a video on Instagram. Unless you're very good at editing videos, sometimes certain like ratio that of the video does not quite carry over to the next video, like next platform. For example, I used to record a lot of stuff and then edit it on CapCut and then post it to my TikTok and Instagram. And I noticed one thing about when I posted on my Instagram, the quality of the video was not quite the same, and it made me so mad. So really focus on your editing. Take videos, watch videos, take a course, you know, buy somebody that can help you edit, because it's very important that your quality of your video, it matters. A lot of people say it really doesn't. Your quality of your video doesn't matter. People are gonna watch regardless, blah, blah, blah. Honestly, I can watch a video if you have good information, but if the quality of the video just sucks, it's really hard to focus. Guys, I want to say so much more about video editing and content creation, but I don't want to make this video too long, so please let me know if you guys want a part 2 of editing tips and tricks like that for influencer and content creators. I'll get back to you for sure. I'll make sure to list pretty much everything I talked about in the description below, guys. Make sure you check those out. And guys, make sure you subscribe, be part of the family. Hope you have a wonderful day, night, evening. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.